Hey guys, welcome back to Central City Barbecue. I'm Pitmaster James Cruz, and in this week's video, I'm going a different direction. I've showed you guys how to smoke brisket, ribs, chicken, pork, all the barbecue staples. But what happens when you have leftovers? Well, I've got some leftover brisket right here. I'm going to make a brisket patty melt. So I'm going to be cooking it on the M-Grill's M16 back there. My buddy Travis, he's got this griddle attachment that's about to hit the market soon. This thing is awesome. It's heating up right now. As you can see, I've got some sliced brioche bread, some provolone, some sliced up poblano pepper, some onions, and a pile of brisket. So while I glove up, I'm gonna chop this brisket up because I think it's gonna go great. It makes for a better bite. You guys hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll be right back. That's it. I chopped it up. Even the fat cap that was in there, I mixed that in as well. They're really juicy. I'll meet you guys at the grill. As you guys can see, I've already broken this thing in. It's well seasoned. This thing is hot. First thing we're gonna add are the onions and peppers. Here, it's sizzling already. A little olive oil. And keep moving. So you want to move this around and get good caramelization all over the onions and peppers. With that oil, we'll be right back. As you can see, we're starting to get some really good color and some caramelization on these onions and peppers. This grill right here is nice. You got to get you one for the M16. Now that the onions and peppers cooked down, let's add a good handful of that chopped brisket, that fat included. That's gonna be really nice. Okay, get some of that fat to rim it down, mix with those onions and peppers. Let's toss this around a little bit. Get a little crispiness on that meat as well. Check this out right here. Got that brisket popping with that fat, those juices, those onions and peppers are just grilling up. We're about to make the sandwich in a minute. Now that the onions and peppers are cooked, I'm moving over to the cooler side. The reason I say I have a cooler side is I have most of the charcoal right here in the center, so it's a little cooler on the edges. I'm just slide this over. Let's get the bread ready on this grill. Put a little pat of butter. Move it around. One piece of bread on there. Piece of cheese. And more butter. Another piece of bread. Another piece of cheese. And I'm gonna add a little scoop of this right here. He's trying to rotate on it. Feel that right there. Let this toast for a minute, get the even color on both sides, we'll pull it off. With as hot as that griddle was, that was a very quick cook. It's time to eat this thing. Look at this thing, it's perfectly toasted, top and bottom. About to cut it open and look at it. I think it's beautiful right there. Watch this. You guys check that out right there. What do you want to take about this thing? You got melted cheese, smoked brisket, grilled onions and peppers, some melted provolone. I know I do. Watch this. Hey, that's good. That's really good. This thing right here further proves why sandwiches are the perfect meal. I mean, this is so easy to do. I got that griddle hot. Got some onions and some poblano peppers. Grilled them really good with some olive oil. Got them down so they're caramelized. Then threw some of that smoked prime brisket in there. Chopped it up with a little fat in there, keep it juicy. Cook that down to where it's crispy on the edges and that fat runs all the way through. Got some brioche toasted in some butter with some provolone. Put it together, let it toast for another minute. Boom, there we go right there. Hey guys, I'm gonna finish the sandwich in a minute. But just to remind you guys, I like doing these videos for you guys every week. I have a lot of fun. I love eating stuff like this. Hopefully you guys are learning something. I'm learning as I go. Follow the restaurant on social media, on Facebook and on Instagram. Follow myself on social media, on Facebook and on Instagram. You guys check out the M Grills, M16 on their website. It's a phenomenal product. See you guys next week.